Hey there, what if I told you that the worst thing that ever happened to you could be the best thing that ever happened to you? Sounds crazy, right? Well, Peaceful Warrior, a film based on real events, shows us exactly how. Dan was at the top of his game until a motorcycle accident shattered his leg and his dreams. He thought it was over, but his mentor, Socrates, showed him the truth. This isn't the end, it's your beginning. Instead of giving up, Dan fought harder than ever, training his mind and body beyond what he thought possible. Seneca said difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Dan's accident wasn't a curse, it was a gift, forcing him to become a true warrior. When life puts obstacles in your path, don't resent them. Embrace them as opportunities, because every setback is a setup for your comeback. So, next time you hit a roadblock, don't panic. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, how can this make me stronger? Because the obstacle isn't in the way. It is the way. And if this message resonated with you, like and subscribe to The Heroic Stoic for more wisdom.